Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack widget tutorial. In this video, we will guide you on how to use the Image Hover Effects extension on WordPress. Find the Image Hover Effects switcher inside the Extensions tab, under the Element Pack dashboard. Save the settings. You are now going inside our page. Here, you can see an image being pulled on the canvas. Let's go inside the Style tab. You can see the extension at the bottom. Click on it, then turn on the switcher. Then customize the effect style, color, and duration from the options. Now hover over the image to see the transition effect. Currently, you are getting 6 hover effects for use. Each has its style to make your image content more engaging as well as more interactive. Explore all 6 styles, then pick whichever goes perfectly with your content. That's all for this video. Continue to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel for more updates and tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.